The Hennessy Venom F5 is not just a car, it's a statement of American engineering dominance in the world of hypercars. Designed with one goal in mind, to exceed 300 miles per hour and claim the title of the world's fastest production car, the Venom F5 is an absolute beast on wheels. Under its carbon fiber skin lies a monstrous 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, aptly named Fury, which pumps out an earth-shattering 1,817 horsepower. Weighing in at just under 3,000 pounds, thanks to its ultralight structure, the F5 delivers a staggering power-to-weight ratio that propels it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds and past 200 miles per hour in less than 10. The cockpit is minimalistic yet futuristic, focused purely on performance and driver control. Built for both raw speed and aerodynamic excellence, the car's name pays homage to the most powerful tornado on the Fujita scale, and rightly so. It's fast, furious, and relentless. With only 24 units being produced, owning a Venom F5 is not just about speed, it's about exclusivity and legacy. For car enthusiasts and speed fanatics, the Hennessy Venom F5 is America's bold challenge to the European hypercar giants. Stay tuned to RideVibes for more insane speed machines and performance legends.